Relax your arms. Roll your shoulders slowly forward. And now backward. This increases blood flow and gently warms up the joint. No rush, slow and controlled. If it feels tight, that's okay. You're waking the shoulder up.
Lift your arms slightly to the side. Make small circles, just like that. If you feel pain, make the circles smaller. This helps lubricate the joint and reduce stiffness. You're doing great. Keep breathing.
Sit or stand tall. Now, gently pull your shoulder blades back, like you're trying to pinch something between them. Hold for 3 seconds. And release. This strengthens the muscles that support the shoulder and reduces pain long term. Place your fingers on a wall and slowly walk your hand upward. Go only as high as you can without sharp pain. Hold, then slowly walk back down. Don't force anything. Gentle stretching is what heals the shoulder. Bring one arm across your chest. Use your other hand to support the stretch. You should feel it on the outside of your shoulder. This is excellent for rotator cuff tightness.
Lean forward slightly and let one arm hang down. Gently swing it forward and back. Side to side. And in small circles. This reduces pressure in the shoulder joint and releases tension. Gently tilt your head to the side and let the tension melt from your neck into your shoulder. Hold it, breathe, switch sides. Great job. Your shoulders should feel lighter and more relaxed. Repeat this routine 2 to 3 times per day if you have persistent shoulder pain. If the pain increases or feels sharp,
always consult a healthcare professional.